Don't you just love these long, rainy afternoons in New Orleans? I'm Blanche.
Stella's sister.
You must be Stanley.
I mean, some men are took in by this Hollywood glamour stuff, and some men are not.
There are things that happen in the dark between a man and a woman that sort of make everything else seem unimportant.
In my opinion, you are married to a madman.
Every man is a king! And I'm king around here, so don't you forget it!
What you are talking about is just desire. Brutal desire.
Wasn't everything okay until she showed here, hoity-toity, describing me as an ape?
What have I done to my sister?